I couldn't wait for you to come and clear the cupboards.
Bro, we just filled up the coolant of the lot. How many miles was that? We drove 50 miles and the car already throws up a sign, bro. 50 miles and we already have BMW problems. Yo, what is he doing?
Hello guys, Balvik here.
How long did we last before encountering an error?
About like 6-7 miles, basically. About that much. Yo, someone's gonna
But now you're
Battlefield Building Supply!
so
What the fuck is that?
another evening I'll be sitting reading in between your lines.
City's so rural, we gotta wait for the train, bro.
So get away, another way to feel like you did on the side.
Just jump on it.
Look how fast it's going, bro. What are you talking about? Jump on it.
Okay. Try.
Go.
You nice?
Yeah.
Cool. See what I want. What if it generally just derails?
There's like no one here, bro.
What if it generally just derails right now? What are you gonna do?
To know and let yourself go. You know you do lose your self-control. There's snow under the rainbow. Turn away, another way to be where you do want yourself to go. Let yourself go. Is that nice? So what do you wanna do? What's your point of view? There's no point. Scared, do you wanna get out? A handshake with you. What's your point of view?
Here we go.
So what do you wanna get? 'Cause I really wanna stay at your house. And the palace in Luxor. But you know how much you brought me on. Don't you
Yo, we're at the top of the mountain. Bro, how's the view? Amrullah, how's the view? Look at that view, bro.
And I'm aware that you were lying in the gutter. 'Cause I did everything to be there by your side. So when you tell me I'm the reason, I just can't believe the lies. And why do I so wanna
What
call
happened?
you?
Did you not hear what he said? I was just kidding, bro.
What'd you do?
I only fought it like 7 times. 6, 7, 6, 7.
Stop.